ఈ వీడియోలో లాగరిథమ్స్ గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. లాస్ట్ మనకి 2025 ఎస్ఎస్సి పేపర్లో కూడా లాగరిథమ్స్ నుంచే క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చింది 6 మార్క్స్కి. సో లాగరిథమ్స్ బేసిక్స్, ఫార్ములాస్ అన్ని డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. బిఫోర్ గోయింగ్ టు వీడియో, ఇంకా ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి. రియల్ నెంబర్స్లో లాగరిథమ్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ఎ లాగరిథమ్? If a power x equals to n, then x equals to log n to the base a. So this a, if send that side, not sending, just how to write that one. X equals to log n to the base a, where a not equals to 1. Here a should not be equals to 1, but a should be greater than 0 and n should be greater than 0, no negative values. And a comma n belongs to real numbers. What are real numbers? Root 2, 1 by 2, any value. So it should be belongs to R. So simple way what we can write, if suppose 2 power 2, what is the 2 power 2? 4. How to write logarithmic form? What is the power here? Exponent 2. So exponent 2 equals to log 4 to the base 2, in that way. Or 2 power minus 3. Generally 2 power minus 3 is 1 by 8. Now we know that. So what is the power here? Minus 3. So minus 3 equals to this 2. This will 1 by 8. This we have to write as base log 1 by 8 to the base 2. Minus 3 equals to log 1 by 8 to the base 2. Now 1 by 8, right, I have written. This 1 by 8 is real number only, no? 2 is also real number. This can be negative, but here this number should not be negative. So here what is the base here? 2. Your base is 2, exponent is 2. Your base is 2, exponent is minus 3, power is minus 3. So log 100 to the base 10. Here what is the base? Base is 10, no? The logarithms whose base is 10 are called common logarithms. Common logarithms. This generally we will write as log 20 log 100. By default here base is 10. How to identify that? If you written log log, then their base will be by default it will be 10. Suppose if in some books you will see ln also logarithm, but these are called natural logarithms whose base will be equals to e, whose base is equals to e. So for doing problems we should follow some rules. Those are called laws of logarithms. So many are there. I am giving important which we will use in problems mostly. So first, log 1 to the base a equals to 0, log a to the base a equals to 1. If these two are same, that will be equals to 1. Log a power m, so that power will come front, m log a. Log a to the base b power n. Now power is there for base, that base also will come front, but 1 by n log a to the base b. If you add both, log a power m to the base b power n equals to m by n log a to the base b. Log ab, if these two are two different numbers, log ab, log a plus log b. Based on this, so many questions they will ask. Log a by b equals to log a minus log b. If it is multiplication plus division minus, log a to the base b equals to 1 by log b to the base a power log n to the base a equals to n. Compulsory everyone has to remember this formula for doing logarithmic problems. So when you are writing logarithms, suppose I want to write log 20 to the base 10, log 20, this should be in same line, base somewhat it should be down. So log 20 to the base 10, in this way only you have to write it. Suppose if you are written log 20, this base should not be in the same line. So see some problems based on logarithms. First, determine the values of log 256 to the base root 2. Log 256 to the base root 2. So this we can write as log 256 root 2. Nth root of a. Nth root of a equals to a power 1 by n. So root 2, 2 power 1 by 2, 2 power 1 by 2. So this here base is 2 power something, this 256 also you have to write 2 power in terms of 2 powers. So 256, 2 ones, 2 twos, 128, 264, 232, 216, 2 eights, 2 4, 2 twos. How many twos? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So log 2 power 8 to the base 2 power 1 by 2. Just now we have written formulas now. Log a power m to the base b power n, m by n log a to the base b. That formula we have to apply here. What is the power here? 8 by 1 by 2. m by n, 8 by 1 by 2 log 2 to the base 2. Log a to the base a is 1. These two are equal, then it will be equals to 1. Then this 2 will go to numerator, 8 2's, log to the base 2 is 1. 8 into 2, 16. So this value is 16. Same as this also same. Log 2 power 1 by 2, 128. Already 128 no? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So log 128, 2 power 7, 2 power 1 by 2. So 7 by 1 by 2 log 2 to the base 2. Log 2 to the base 2 value is 1. This will go 7 by 1 by 2 is nothing but 7 into 2. That is 1. Log 2 to the base 2. 7 2 is 14. Simplify log 162 by 343 plus 2 log 7 by 9 minus log 1 by 7. Once again I am writing that one. Log 162 by 343 plus 2 log 7 by 9 minus log 1 by 7. So just now we have seen that log a by b equals to log a minus log b. Log 162 minus log 343 plus 2 log 7 minus log 9 minus, here minus is there no? Write in bracket, minus log 1 minus log 7, log a minus log b. So log 162 we can write as, here 9 and 7 is there no? Everything you are writing in terms of 9 and 7. 162 we can write as 81 into 2, log 81 into 2 minus log 343 7 cube, 343 7 4 the 29 63 9. So 343 is 7 cube, log 7 cube plus 2 log 7 minus log 9, log 1 0 minus log 7, log a to the base, log 1 to the base a equals to 0 no, so log 1 is 0, I am not writing that one. Now log ab, log a plus log b, log a power m, m log a, 3 log 7 plus, I am multiplying this inside, 2 log 7 minus 2 log 9, minus into minus plus log 7. Log 81 is 9 square, log 9 square plus log 2 minus 3 log 7 plus 2 log 7 plus log 7, it will become plus 3 log 7 minus 2 log 9. Here log 9 square, this log a power m will come from no. So 2 log 9 plus log 2 minus 3 log 7 plus 3 log 7 cancel, minus 2 log 9 plus 2 log 9 minus 2 log 9 cancel. So what is left? Log 2. So this total answer is log 2. In some questions show that log 162 by 343 this is equals to log 2. That question also there. So simplify or show that. Both are same questions. These are some of the important in this. So if x square plus y square equals 7xy, then show that 2 log x plus y equals to log x plus log y plus 2 log 3. జనరల్గా చూస్తూ ఉంటాం ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ మనకి బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్లో ఇవ్వడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. సో వాట్ దే గివ్ గివెన్ కండిషన్ గివెన్ x square plus y square equals to 7xy. What we have to show? 2 log x plus y equals log x plus log y plus 2 log 3. That we have to show it. So from that LHS, from this what is the left hand side? Or 2 log of x plus y log a power m equals to m log a. From that I will write reverse, m log a equals to log a power m. So log x plus y whole square. So log a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now in place of ab, xy is there now, x square plus y square plus 2xy. So log, but x square plus y square equals to 7xy. I will replace that one, 7xy plus 2xy. So log 7xy plus 2xy, 9xy. Log AB, log A plus log B plus log ABC, log A plus log B plus log C. Log 9, log x plus log y. We in laws of logarithms we have seen log AB equals to log A plus B, multiplication, addition. So log 9 we can write as log 3 square plus log x plus log y. Power, it will come front, 2 log 3 plus log x plus log y. If you compare RHS, log x plus log y plus 2 log 3, both are same, no? So 2 log 3 plus log x plus log y, that is RHS. Therefore 2 log x plus y equals to log x plus log y plus 2 log 3. One more question. If x square plus y square equals to 27xy, then show that log x minus 5 by 5 equals to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. So what they are asking to show? Log of x minus 5 by 5 equals to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. If I send to this side, 2 log x minus 5 by 5 equals to log x plus log y. So this will go to power now, log x minus y by 5 whole square log x plus log y. Before applying power, log a by b equals to log a minus log b, or x minus y by whole square by 5 square equals to log x plus log y. Log, now apply that, x minus y whole square minus log 5 square, log a by b, log a minus log b equals to log x plus log y. Log x minus y whole square, x square plus y square minus 2xy log 25 equals to log x plus log y. X square plus y square equals to 27xy log 27xy minus 2xy minus log 25 log x plus log y. 27 minus 2, 25 log 25 xy minus log 25. Log, this we can write as log 25 plus log x plus log y minus log 25 plus log 25 minus log 25 cancel, log x plus log y, right side that is only there, no, log x plus log y, therefore log of x minus y by 5 equals to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. If log x plus y by 3 equals to 1 by 2 log x plus log y, then what is the value of x by y plus y by x? So what they have given, log x plus y by 3 equals to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. 2 send this side, 2 log x plus y by 3 equals to log x plus log y, log a plus b, log ab, log xy, log this we can write as x plus y by 3 whole square equals to log xy. So here log is there, there also log is there, now we can remove that log. So what we left, x plus y by 3 whole square equals to xy. So x square plus y square plus 2xy by 3 equals to xy. If you send 3 that side, x square plus y square plus 2xy equals to 3 square, no, 3 square is 9, 9 if you send that side, 9xy. So x square plus y square equals to 9xy minus 2xy. X square plus y square equals to 9xy minus 2xy, 7xy. If you send xy this side, x square plus y square by xy equals to 7. X square by xy plus y square by xy equals to 7. 1x cancel, 1y cancel. So x by y plus y by x, x by y plus y by x equals to 7. If 2.3 power x equals to 0.23 power y equals to 1000, then 1 by x minus 1 by y. 2 take separately x and y. 2.3 power x equals to 1000. 2.3 power x equals to 10 power 3. 2.3 equals to 10 power 3 by x. 10 power 3 by x. Keep one side. 0.23 whole power y equals, that is also 1000. So 0.23 power y equals to, this is also 10 power 3. 0.23 equals to 10 power 3 by y. 0.23 we can write as 2.3 by 10. That equals to 10 power 3 by y. But 2.3 equals to 10 power 3 by x. 10 power 3 by x by 10 equals to 10 power 3 by y. If you send 10 that side, 10 power 3 by x equals to 10 into 10 power 3 by y. Here 10 power 1, 10 power 3 by x equals to, as bases are equal, a power m into a power n, a power m plus n, 10 power 1 plus 3 by y. As bases are same, powers must be also same. So 3 by x equals to 1 plus 3 by y. 3 by y send this side. 3 by x minus 3 by y equals to 1. If you take 3 common, 1 by x minus 1 by y equals to 1. So in question what is there? Only 1 by x and 1 by y, no? So 1 by x minus 1 by y equals to 1 by 3. These are the somewhat different questions in logarithms. More questions you practice. If you are having any doubts,